Hello. Today, if you can read upside down, I'm going to be doing Pascal's triangle. It's a really cool shape, and it looks, oddly enough, like a triangle. What you do before you do anything is write a 1, nice and big. And then, after that, you write what this sums to, which is 1 and 1. Then, on this row here, we're going to write the sum below, but before we do that, we're just going to write a 1 along the side. Then in the middle, we're going to write what the two numbers above sum to, which is 1 plus 1 is 2. And then we'll finish off with a 1. Nice, beautiful shape so far. Now, I'm going to write a 1 on the edge, and I'm going to do what 1 and 2 sum to, which is 3, and then what 2 and 1 sum to, which is 3, and then I'm going to write a 1 on the end. And on the outside, I'll write a 1 again. And then I'm going to add the 1 and the 3 together, which gives me 4. And this is where things get interesting. I'm going to add the 3 and the 3 together to give 6. And then the 3 and the 1 together to give 4. And then 1 on the outside. This, if you're familiar with polynomials, should look very, very familiar. And if you can read upside down with your eyes closed in your head. But it ends up making a shape with 1s on the outsides and then factors on the inside. You can also use it for probability, but I've never been one for probability, never been good at it. So, let's do the next row. 1 on the outside, and then 1 plus 4 is 5, and then 4 plus 6, oh my, well, that's 10, and then 6 plus 4 is 10, and then 4 plus 1 is 5, and then we write a 1 on the outside. And then next, I'm going to write another 1 on the outside, and a 6. It never ceases to be quiet where I live. Bad hobby to have, traffic and this, but such is life. I hope you enjoy the sounds of traffic. My very sincerest apologies. Now, 5 plus 10 is 15, and 10 plus 10 is 20. 10 plus 5 is 15, and 5 plus 1, 6, and then 1. Isn't that a beautiful shape we're building? Let's see how big we can go. The next one, 1, and 1 plus 6 is 7. 6 plus 15 is 21. 15 plus 20. Oh my, that's 35. And then 35 again on the other side. And then 21. Then 7. Then 1. Now, so you can see, I'm going to draw the quotient side now. Just the start. Over here. This one might not be as big. Oh no, there's not enough room over here on this triangle side. So instead, I'll get a new page, I think. Doing this quietly is very difficult because it wants to rip all along there, but that's fine. Paper can be noisy sometimes. I'll put our little triangle here, which I hope you might be able to see, inverted and round the wrong way, to one side. And now, we're going to draw at least the beginnings of a polynomial. We'll say x at the top, and then x, y for our next one, and then x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, and then x cubed plus 3. Oh, this will test my memory. X squared y plus 3y squared x plus y cubed. And this shape gets more and more complex as we go down. X to the 4 plus 4. Oh, can I remember? X cubed y plus 6. Ooh, x squared y squared plus 3 x y cubed plus y to the 4. Next is x to the 5th plus 5, and also a truck, plus 5 x to the 4 y plus 10. Ooh, x to the 3 y squared plus 10. Am I doing it right? Oh, I've made a mistake. That's a 4 there. Always double check yourself. That's why you build the nice simple one first. It's easy to forget how it looks when you're doing the cubes and squares. And you'll notice a pattern all the way down along here is that the power matches which is the middle number, or the closest outer number, I should say. And that as we get closer to one side or the other, the power decreases on that term until it disappears entirely. So we get x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, but the next one down, x cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3y squared x plus y cubed. And it does that all the way down. Our next number here is 10. Ooh, I'm nervous. Can you tell? X squared y cubed plus 5x y to the fourth plus y to the fifth. Oh, so nerve-wracking. You might judge my math. And then our next row is x to the sixth plus 6x to the fifth y plus 15 x to the fourth y squared plus... Oh, what's next? I wonder. Do you know? I don't. I'm scared. Plus 20 x to the 3y to the 3 plus 15 x squared y fourth plus 6 x y to the fifth plus y to the... Ooh. What now? I don't know. Y to the... sixth. And now we go down to our last rung, and that will be the end. I'm so sorry for the noise, but I hope you enjoyed it all the same. I'm going to write these out without talking, and I want to see if you can guess what they're going to be in your head. Count them back. Are you ready? There's the first one. What's the next one? And what's the next one? Good. You're doing well. I'm doing well. Even if they're wrong, it doesn't matter. They're just numbers. Calming numbers, hopefully. That's the next one, okay. And the next one. And the next one. And the next one. Perfect. If you're still with me, I'll list them off, and you let me know if I was right or wrong, or you were right or wrong. Math is never about being right. It's about doing the numbers and having fun, or trying to pass a test for some people. Our first row is X. Our second row is X, Y. Our third row is X squared plus 2XY plus Y squared. Our next row, our fourth row, is X to the 3 plus 3x squared plus 3x squared y plus 3y squared x plus y to the 3. Next, 4 to the 4th, x to the 4th, oh my, x to the 4th plus 4x to the 3y plus 6x squared to the y squared times y squared plus 4x times y to the 3 plus y to the 4. Our next row is x to the 5 plus 5 to the x to the 4 times y plus 10x to the 3 times y squared plus 10x to the 2 times y cubed plus 5x times y to the 4 plus y to the 5. Then the next row is x to the 6 times 6x to the 5 times y plus 15x to the 4 times y squared plus 20x to the 3 y to the 3 plus 15x squared times y to the 4 plus 6x times y to the 5 plus y to the 6. And our final, last row, the one you did in your head, is x to the 7 plus 7x to the 6 times y plus 21x to the 5 times y squared plus 35x to the 4 times y to the 3 plus 35x to the 3 times y to the 4 plus 21x squared times y to the 5 plus 7x times y to the 6th plus y to the 7th. Good night.